we'll find the missing angle measure in this triangle. The key fact to remember is that the angles of a triangle all add up to 180 degrees, always, for any triangle. For this triangle in particular, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle H plus the measure of angle F is going to equal 180 degrees. Well, we know the measure of angle A, it's 35 degrees, and we know the measure of angle H is 110 degrees. The measure of angle F is the missing angle measure, it's labeled X, and that equals 180 degrees. 35 degrees plus 110 degrees is 145 degrees. So X is 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. And carrying out that calculation, we would find that X is 35 degrees. So we can say X equals 35 degrees.